Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a quick demo of the pattern development tool on my Fabora Metal and Steel Tools app. Now you can use it for developing cones, transitions, square to rounds and shoots and things like that. Okay, so when you come onto the app, this is the first page you'll see with all the tools. So if you just scroll down to develop and layout, then select the flat pattern. You can see on here there's quite a few patterns and shapes. So we've got cones, cylinders, elbows, segmented bends, transitions, branches and saddles, breechers, rectangular ducting, chutes and hoppers, vessel end caps, pipes cut by a plate, prisms and pyramids, and helicals and augers. So for this one we're just going to do a cone. So we'll go with a frustrum cone. So we'll use the outside dimensions. So material thickness we'll go for 6mm. Base outside diameter we'll say 600. Top outside diameter say 350. Vertical height we'll say 500. As you can see, this is developed. You can export it as a DXF, as a PDF, or send to the nesting tool. We can split into different pieces. So this is just one section a minute. So if you're rolling it and you can't get it in one piece, you can do it in two pieces. So you can see here, this is for the two pieces, two sections. You can show bend or fold lines on the DXF. So you just toggle this on and off. Show measurements on the drawing here. You can toggle that on and off. Show seam and lap lines. So you can export labels with include bend lines and fold lines. So you can also export to a PDF if you want, as a one-to-one. So that's the cones. So yeah, check it out guys. This one is actually on the Pro subscription. So we've got a free subscription, we've got a Pro. So the flat pattern is on the Pro. It's £4.99 a month in UK. It's also all available in the US, Europe, Australia and India. So yeah, check out guys. Thank you.